to do 1970s.
I'd say like 2 tablespoons of oil, because you don't want it to be that much.
Yeah, because then it gets really greasy.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Look at all our ingredients.
Avocado, mayonnaise, eggies, and oil.
Looks really gross, actually. But it's gonna make our hair all nice and shiny.
And now we blend. But first, let me show you this really cool technique that my mom taught me how to peel avocados. First we get a spoon. I feel like maybe I should dice the avocados up, maybe.
No, I think it's fun.
Mommy. For
Yummy.
your breakfast. Alright. Make sure your blender was made before the year is 1990.
Isn't that old?
That's a good consistency. Grandma,
Oh, it's
You got me or
smells
loud.
like avocado. Give it another quick stir. I think that's good.
That's about right.
Yeah, there's no chunks. It's all nice and smooth like your regular conditioner would be.
Yay! All done.
So is your hair wet when you put it on, or do you
No,
No, it's dry.
It's dry. I say we put this in like a big bowl.
I'm excited.
big bowls are
Start
done?
twisting my hair.
Oh yeah, we should use it in a plastic bowl. Just in case.